Dear students, welcome back to three-dimensional geometry. So in previous session we discussed some problems which are given in previous exams, that means JEE Mains and Advanced. In this session also we will discuss some more difficult problems. Okay, right. See this problem. The equation of plane containing the line of intersection of the two planes and passing through the point 1, 1, 0. We have to find out the equation of a plane which contains the line of intersection of these two planes. Equation of any plane passing through line of intersection of the two planes phi 1 and phi 2 is phi 1 plus lambda phi 2 equals, let it be phi 1 and phi 2. So equation of any plane, passing through line of intersection of 1 and 2, passing through line of intersection of phi 1 and phi 2 is phi 1 plus lambda phi 2 equal to 0. This is the formula. So now 2x minus y minus 4 plus lambda into y plus 2z minus 4 equal to 0. This is the required plane with unknown lambda. Given that this is passing through point 1, 1, 0, clearly, let it be 2, clearly 1, 1, 0 lies on 2. Then equation 2 becomes, let's substitute 1, 1, 0 in place of x, y, z. 2 into 1 minus 4 plus lambda into 1 plus 0 minus 4 is equal to 0. That means 2 minus 5 minus 3, 1 minus 4 minus 3 lambda is equal to 0. So minus 3 equal to 3 lambda, simple as lambda is equal to minus 1. Just replace by lambda by minus 1 in the equation 2. You will get the required equation. Therefore, from 2, substitute lambda equal to minus 1. 2x minus y minus 4 minus 1 into y plus 2z minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, 2x minus y minus 4 minus y minus 2z plus 4 equal to 0. Here 2x is there, minus y minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 0. This is the required plane. See this problem? The magnitude of the projection of a vector on the vector perpendicular to the plane containing the two vectors. Clearly we have given three vectors here, given that the first vector, let us take the first vector be a bar equal to 2y plus 3j plus k, 2y plus 3j plus k. And the another two vectors, let us take b is equal to another vector I plus j plus k, and c bar is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k. These are the three vectors. Here we have to find out the magnitude of the projection of this vector on the vector which is perpendicular plane containing these two. Understand? These two vectors lies on a plane. We have to find out the projection of this vector on a line that is perpendicular to the plane containing them. Now let us take n bar be any vector perpendicular to the plane containing B and C. So n bar is equal to B cross C, that is equal to, now find out B cross C value, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. So now the value this is I into 3 minus 2, 1, minus j into 3 minus 1, 2, plus k into 2 minus 1, 1, plus k into 1. This is the normal vector to the plane. We have to find out the projection of magnitude of the projection of a bar on n bar. The magnitude projection of a bar on n bar is a bar dot n bar by mod n bar. Here a bar is this one, n bar is this one. So that is equal to 2i plus 3j plus k dot I minus 2j plus k by modulus of I minus 2j plus k. Now this is nothing but 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 1 by, this is the magnitude, by root of a square plus b square plus c square, that is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 minus 6, 3 minus 6 minus 3 by root 6, that is equal to, the magnitude means you should take modulus value, 3 by, you can write root 2 into 3, root of 2 into 3, that is equal to root of 3 by 2. This is the magnitude of the vector a bar, projection of the a bar on the vector which is perpendicular to the plane containing b and c. Okay, this one, a plane passing through the points 0, minus 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1 and making an angle pi by 4 with the plane y plus z plus 5 is equal to 0, y minus z plus 5 equal to 0. Also passes through the point, we have to find out the point. First of all, we have to find out the plane equation which is passing through 2 points and making pi by 4 with another plane. So what are the given points? First of all, given that, let us take first point be A, that is 0, minus 1, 1 and B 0, 0, 1. And the given plane equation is given that, and again that given that the plane pi is equal to y minus z plus 5 equal to 0. This is the given data. And the required plane making an angle pi by 4 with this plane pi. So pi by 4 is the angle made by the required plane with this one. So here observe that here 0, minus 1, 0, this lies on negative y-axis, this lies on positive z-axis. Now with the help of these two, we can write an equation of the plane in intersect form. Here the intersect form, here from this point the y-intercept equal to minus 1 and z-intercept equal to plus 1. We don't know the x-intercept, so let us take x-intercept be some a. Then the equation of the required plane, equation of the required plane is equal to x by a, y by b, z by c equal to 1. Here let it be y-intercept be some b, z-intercept c, x-intercept a. Substitute these three values. Here this equation becomes, the one implies x by a is there, y by minus 1 that means minus y, z by plus 1 that is equal to z is equal to 1. This is the plane equation with unknown a. So you can write this equation equal to, this is the required equation with an unknown a. So to find out a, we have given that this plane is making an angle pi by 4 with this one. Given that angle between 2 and 3. Let us take this equation 3. Angle between 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is pi by 4. Now apply formula for the angle. Cos theta is equal to mod of a1 a2 1 into 0 plus b1 b2 minus a into 1 plus c1 c2 a into minus 1 by root of a square plus b square plus c square 1 plus a square plus a square root of 1 plus 1. So here we have given that theta equal to pi by 4, cos pi by 4 equal to 1 by root 2. This implies 1 by root 2 is equal to 2a by root of 1 plus 2a square into root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. Now from this, squaring on both sides will get 1 plus 2a square is equal to 4a square. 1 is equal to 2a square. This implies a equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. This is the value of a. So with respect to a, we can find out the equation of the plane. So here case 1, now come to this one. Here a is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. From this one we can write plus or minus root 2 into x minus y plus z is equal to 1. This is the equation of the required plane. Now check the point, check the options. Which option satisfies this equation? Clearly observe that this satisfying the equation minus root 2x minus y plus z equal to 1. This point satisfies if you put x equal to root 2 into root 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 1. This is the required answer here. Okay. See this problem. The image of the line with respect to the plane. This is the equation of plane. This is the equation of plane. How to find out the image of this line with respect to this plane. Suppose this is the position of the plane. The equation of the plane is 2x minus y plus z plus 3 equal to 0. This is the position of the plane. So here we have to find out the relation between the line and plane. For that, a1 a2 3 into 2 plus 1 into minus 1 plus minus 5 into 1, that is equal to 6 minus 1 minus 5 is equal to 0. That means 1 is perpendicular normal to the plane. That means 1 is parallel to the plane 2. That means suppose this is the position of the point 1, line 1. Here, this is the line passing through some point. Let us take this is the point 1, 3, 4 and having the DRs. What are the DRs? 3, 1, minus 5. These are the DRs of this line. We have to find out the image of this line. Image of this line, this is the line. Image of this line is nothing but a line which is parallel to the plane and having same distance and lies opposite side the plane. Suppose this is the position of the required line. So let us take a point. Clearly this is passing through 1, 3, 4. This is the position of the point on the given line. We have to find out the image of this point. On image of this point with respect to plane should be lies on this line. Let us take Q, H, K, L are the coordinates of the image of P with respect to the plane. So now we have a formula to find the image of the point Q. Now the coordinates of Q is equal to x1 plus AR or A lambda, y1 plus B lambda, z1 plus C lambda, where lambda is equal to minus 2 into AX1, BY1, CZ1 plus D by A square plus B square plus C square. This is the formula to find the image of any point with respect to the plane. So now substitute x1, y1, z1 be 1, 2, 3. Let it be x1, y1, z1. These are HKL. Okay. So these are the required point. Okay, right? So now I have to find out the lambda value. A and B are C are 2, minus 1, 1. Right? So now find out lambda value first of all. Lambda is equal to, what is the lambda value? Minus 2 into, substitute this point in the plane. 2 x1, 2, 1. 2 into 1 minus 3 plus 4 plus 3 whole divided by a square plus b square plus c square. 4 plus 1 plus 1. See here, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 get cancelled. Lambda is equal to minus 2. Now substitute x1, y1, z1, a, b, c. Here a equal to, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 1 and lambda value. That is equal to x1, 1 plus a, 2 lambda minus 2. y1, 3 plus b minus 1 lambda minus 2. z1, 4 plus c, the value of c is 1 and lambda is minus 2. Now 1 minus 4 minus 3. 3 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 5 and 4 minus 2, 2. This is the image of P with respect to the plane. Therefore, now the point is minus 3, 5, 2. This is the point lies on the line. The DRs of this line are same as 3, 1, minus 5. These are the DRs. Now the required equation is so x plus 3 by 3, y minus 5 by 1, z minus 2 by minus 5. This is the required equation. Okay. Two vertices of a triangle ABC are lies on a line. What is the line? X plus 2 by 3 and y minus 1 by 0 and z by 2 or z by 4. Okay, this is the equation of the line. In a triangle ABC, B and C lies on this line and given that BC equal 5 units. Suppose this is the position of the line. These are the positions of B and C points. We have given that the length of this spot is equal to 5 units. The equation of this line is x plus 2 by 3 equal to y minus 1 by 0 equal to z by 4. Now A is another point. So the coordinates of A are 1, minus 1, 2. 1, minus 1, 2. This is the position of the triangle. We have to find out the area of this triangle. You know the base length. If you know the height of the triangle, you can find out the area. How can you find the area, height? So let us take this is the put of the perpendicular of A, let it be D. Now D point should be lies on the line. So now write the general point on the line. Let this equation be equal to some t, let it be some t. Then we can write the coordinates of point on this line. So with the help of these two, x is equal to 3t minus 2, y is equal to 1 and z equal to 4t. Let us take this point B, D, 3t minus 2, 1, 4t. These are the coordinates of any point on the line. Let us assume D be the point that lies on the this, and this is the foot of the perpendicular of from A. Okay. Now clearly observe that AD is perpendicular to BC. We know the DRs of BC 304 and find out DRs of AD. Now DRs of AD equal to, now tell me DRs. A equal to 1 minus 2 and here A equal to 1 minus 1 2 and D is there. DRs of AD OD minus OA, that is equal to 3t minus 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 4t minus 2. These are the DRs of AD. 3t minus 3, comma 2, comma 4t minus 2. These are the DRs of AD. And DRs of BC. DRs of BC is equal to 304. Clearly, AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, product of DRs A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. That means 3 into 3t minus 3 plus 0 into 2 plus 4 into 4t minus 2 is equal to 0. 9t minus 9, 0 plus 16t minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, 25t is equal to 17. T is equal to 17 by 25. Now the coordinates of D. Therefore, D is equal to T equals 17 by 25. 3 into 17 by 25 minus 1, minus 2, sorry. And 1, 4 into 17 by 25. That is equal to 3 into 17. 51 minus 50 by 25, 1, that is 4 into 17, 68 by 25, that is equal to 1 by 25, 1, 68 by 25. These are the coordinates of D. So we have coordinates of D and just find out AD length. If you know AD and BC length, you can find out the area, half into base into height. Now the length of AD, find out length of AD, that is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square. That means 1 minus 1 by 25 whole square plus 1 minus of minus 1, 1 plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 68 by 25 whole square. Just to simplify it. So after simplification we will get 2 by 5 into root of 34. This is the length of AD. You know the length of AD and length of BC. Now the area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. 2 by 5 into root 34. 5 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. That is equal to root 34. Okay, this is the way how to find the area of this triangle.